O, sabi mo kung good smell or bad smell, okay?
Okay.
How about this one?
What's that?
No, you say lang, good smell or bad smell?
Good smell.
Very good. This one. Oh. Good smell or bad smell?
Good smell.
Go again.
Good smell.
Good smell. This one. Wait.
That's your foot. That's foot.
Hmm?
That's foot.
Ito. Good smell or bad smell?
Bad smell.
Ha?
Bad smell.
Bad smell?
Yeah.
Smell mo nga ulit?
No! It's bad smell.
Bad smell.
Yeah.
How about this one? Smell mo. Don't look. Oh. Good smell or bad smell?
Bad smell.
Bad smell. Ha? O, ganyan.
Bad smell.
Smell mo. Good smell or bad smell?
Good smell.
Good smell. Ito. Oh. Oh. Good smell or bad smell? Wag mo titingin. Good smell or bad smell? Smell mo lang.
That's wake up.
Good smell or bad smell?
Good smell.
Good smell. Oh, last one. Ito. Perfume. Oh. May perfume. Smell mo. Good smell or bad smell?
Good smell.
Oh, try mo sa kamay mo. Oh. Oh.
It's good smell.
Good smell. This one.
Bad.
Good smell or bad smell?
Bad smell.
Again. Dali, again. Good smell or bad smell? Ito pa, last.
No!
Last na. Alis na tayo. Dali.
Wake up.
Oo, last na. Don't look. Dali na. Alis na tayo. Oh, ito. Good smell or bad smell?
Bad smell. Ay,